I was not born like other dogs. I was created. Long before your world took shape.
Humans and I were formed from the same bone of life.
We were never meant to be separate. I guarded them in life. And when their journey ended, I followed. Sometimes beside the one I loved. Sometimes beside a stranger. But every soul had to cross the river. And I carried them. Through cold, endless waters.
The river marked me.
At the end, we met the Lord of the Underworld.
He asked me one question.
Will you stay or return?
If I loved them, I stayed.
But if I did not know them, I returned.
The second crossing changed me. The water cleansed me.
Where it touched me, heaven remained.
When you see me marked in white,
know that I have crossed between worlds. I am the butterfly dog.